Save money and try Hong Kong's popular local food. This rice.
要咩啊？
Lico. Ever wondered what those long lines outside takeaway restaurants are? They're this rice restaurants, also known as two dishes with rice. These takeout restaurants are really popular amongst Hong Kong local people as it saves money and it's a reasonable price. After a long working day, who wants to cook? You can usually get two dishes over rice for 28 to 32 Hong Kong dollars and three dishes over rice for about 35 to 40 Hong Kong dollars. Really cheap, right? It can be intimidating to walk into such a local place without knowing Cantonese. Today, let me walk you through step by step on how to get this local food of good value. Step 1. Locate. To find a this place restaurant, look for long lines out there. The longer the line, probably the better the food or the price. When you found your place, get in line. Step number 2. Pre-choose. Pre-choose what you want. Try to look and see what you want from the steamy windows ahead of time. Because when your time comes, there's no more time wasted. You have to order right away. The lines go fast and you don't have time to think when your turn comes. Look for the price at the signs. Usually the lower price is for 2 dishes and the higher price is for the 3. Some shops also offer the option to add money to get a soup, tong, or fish. If you don't want any rice, you can also buy dang song, which means just the 2 dishes. Oh, remember at this step to prepare your cash so you can pay right away. Some places accept octopus, but a lot of them don't to cut costs. Step 3. Yay! Finally, your turn is here. The server behind the counter might motion with you with their eyes or their hands to show it's your turn, or they might say something like, "You mea, sit mea," or "Hi, waya." So first, tell them how many dishes you want. You can use your fingers to signal whether you want 2 or 3 dishes. Or in Cantonese, you can say "le song" or "sao song." Then you point to the ones you want. Or you can say "li go" to indicate which dish you want. The person behind the counter might ask you for confirmation of which dish you really want by putting their ladle over the dish, or maybe saying "li go," which is a question for this one. And you can say "hi" or "hi," or just use your hands. If you want less rice, there's an option to say "siu ba na mu go." Less rice, please. Step 4. Pay. This is the part where you move forward in line and there will be someone to collect your money and give you your takeaway box in a plastic bag. And yes, now you can take your this rice takeaway box home. Let's see what some popular dishes are. For example, you can get fried chao dan, which is tomatoes with fried eggs. Or you can try dingyou bae, which is fried pork patty. Or you can try guoyong, which is sweet and sour pork. Something else that's good if you like little spiciness in your food is ma po tofu, tofu. Or yuher candy, eggplant. Or you can get chu pa, which is usually pork chop. Or pai what, spare ribs. There's a lot more options you can try. You have to go and see it yourself. Hope this helps. Enjoy your learn some fun. Bye-bye.